The rain outside mirrors the tears I hold, a silent story, a love grown cold. Every memory, a whispered plea for a love that was never meant to be. Echoes of a broken heart, they linger on, hid every shadow from dusk till dawn. A melancholic tune, a bittersweet refrain, whispering your name through the falling rain. The piano keys, a somber sound, each note a memory lost and found. I trace the lines of your fading face in this empty room, in this lonely space. I try to move on, to forget your touch, but every sunrise reminds me so much of a future we painted, now just a blur.